Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 5 of my Christmas catch-up layout a day for December 2022. Now today I'm starting off with a sketch again from Scrapbook Generation by Allison Davis, and this one has 5 photos, and I've pulled 5 horizontal photos for this sketch, and I'm starting off, I think I have a total of 10 or 11 papers. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 for the background. Oh, I pulled these cardstocks. Let me see if I have a more toned down color. I had pulled the cardstocks thinking those would be perfect, but the light when I pulled them was a little bit different than it is right now. I think time of day really made a big difference. So let me see. I have these off-white ones, but are they they're too yellow. So maybe if I go with the craft again, I think that would work probably a little bit better. Yeah, with the wood grain here and these more muted tones, I think that will work better than those white pieces. And this is where we're gonna start. So I don't remember what collections, I wanna say Recollections maybe, or Paper Studio, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's, but I really think Michael's. What's the other one that they have there? Craftsmith. It's one or the other. So this one is full of tags, and this is a pop-apart, tear-apart sheet, so I don't have to do any fussy cutting with this one if I don't want to. So I've pulled in my photos. These are my papers, and the sketch calls for strips of paper along the way, and so along with that comes stickers. So let me show you what I have pulled out as far as stickers go. Pull this sheet back in because I think it will work well. This, if I can create my title out of this, my title's going to be sort of long, so I don't know if I can create it or not with that. But I went ahead and pulled these stickers in to create my title, and I think those will work okay. I pulled this sticker sheet back in, and this one I have not pulled before, so I will use that, or try to use that, and possibly this chipboard sheet because it's got the stockings, and my photos are all about our Christmas morning stockings, so of course I had to pull a stocking that I created a couple of months ago. Now I didn't pull any wood veneers, sequins, bling, any of that. I have plenty of it here. I have plenty of other embellishments, so let me put the layout together and we'll see what I'm going to add to it. Anyway guys, I will be right back with the completed layout. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 5. Let me show you the products that I didn't use. Oh wait, there was none. Sorry, just had to do that. Let me show you the papers. I used all of them. I cut a chunk off of each one to use as I went throughout. I think that's every one of them. There's that one. There's all my leftover bits. Here's my cutoffs from the papers, and then here is the punch out sheet with the piece there. So I think 10 total papers is what I'm counting. If I happen to use this punch out sheet again, I won't count it against me because I've already counted it this go around. I did finish off the last 2 little red jewels on this pack, so it's going into my trash. I used a wood veneer that was glittered from that pack. I used bling from all 4 of these packages. This one is close to my heart: eyelet, outlet, eyelet, outlet, and want to scrap. Then I used all of my sticker sheets. I used a bird from here. I used several words from here, and I didn't end up using that alphabet. I didn't have the right letters I needed to create my title with it. I had some of them, but not all of them. I used a sticker from here. I did use this alphabet to create my title, and I did use some greenery pieces. I think 1, 2, seems like there was a third one. Oh, 3 from here. And this alphabet to create the date. And then here is my layout. Sorry about that glare, guys. You can see 2 pages. My original sketch had lots of little pieces across the bottom. I didn't want to be that fussy with it after cutting all the little pieces for the last layout. I thought, well, let me just do chunks. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, 3-inch chunks from the paper, and I put them one of each of the papers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is 9. This one is 10. This is offcuts from the the last page that I did. I had some of this paper left over, and then I wanted, this one was left over from last round of papers. So did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Okay, there we go. And then I pulled this one in from my last page, and this one in from this border strip piece here that goes across from my last set. And you can see on here, there's my little bird sticker up at the top. There is the tag that I punched out, and I did pull in this fabric tape, if you will. The original washi tapes. No, it's just fabric tape with adhesive on it and gold dots, and I used it for my tag here. Used a piece of that chipboard greenery. Oh, and I used that ho 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 washi tape across the top. The original sketch showed stitching across there, and I just pulled out that ho 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 washi tape with the metallic ho hos on it and used that instead. It worked for what I needed. I put the sticker down here on the bottom. Oh, did I mention I popped this up and I peeled a good portion of the backing off of the chipboard pieces because they were so thick, y'all. And I don't know if y'all can tell by just looking into that. You're not going to be able to tell. Those suckers are super thick. So I peeled all of my chipboards down. Put my title across the bottom here. It says Unstuffing the Stockings. Pop this up on foam tape. Put some bling bits around here. There's some words. There's another chipboard that was peeled. The backing was peeled. More words. I used some more bling here, here, and here. Put my date up there. More chipboard. That's an embellishment that I had previously created, and I just went through. I didn't use any foam adhesive to keep this down because I had foam adhesive for the flower on the front, and these are pretty bulky, so I just glued it straight down to the paper. And then I used a wood veneer on this side. I did use a scrap of paper. It was a scrap of paper from this one with the antlers on it to back around my paper, or my photo there. And I started to cut my photos down, and I was going to put this one, bridge this photo across the 2 pages, but then I realized it wouldn't leave me with a good spot for my tags. So I shifted things around, and I just put those photos next to each other even though they've been cut. I don't think anybody in the family is going to care. Anyway, wood veneer there, more stickers down here, just phrases. I think pictures do most of the talking around the holidays. Sometimes you have to embellish a little bit in the way of journaling by what you're talking about. But I think all of these are pretty self-explanatory as far as unstuffing our stockings. So anywho, this layout is done, and I will be back tomorrow, and I will have close-ups of the layout at the end of the video. So if you're interested, please stay tuned for that. And if you want to see more layouts that I am doing for my Christmas catch-up using older supplies as far as Christmas supplies go, please feel free to stick around. Hit that subscribe button, punch it, hit it, whatever the terminology is. Just press that button, if you will, if you're interested in subscribing so that you can see them. Also, ring that notification bell, and every time I upload a video, it will pop up in your feed so that you'll get the first opportunity to see it. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will talk to you again on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.